IKEA, I got this teddy bear for my dog, and as you can tell, he loves it. I also found the cutest rack from IKEA and it was only 20 ringgit, so I got it. They have a lot of different color options there, and I was having like a crisis to pick up one for my room, and I ended up going with this because I thought it will go really well with the color scheme that I have in my bedroom. And the main reason why I went to IKEA in the first place was to get this storage box. It just looks like this. They also have a smaller option which is just like a square, but I got the bigger one because I wanted to go over that side of my room, and I'm gonna be using it as my bedside table. I'm sorry that I'm using my fabric scissors again. Please don't be like me. Don't use your fabric scissors on other stuff other than fabric. Kind of stressed because I've never built a furniture on my own before, so wish me luck.
Happy, no. Stop sniffing. Stop sniffing. Hi.
So I'm just gonna be keeping all of my memory box and things that I won't be reaching for so often in this box. I mean in this storage. And yeah, I'm gonna be rearranging all of these deco pieces. This is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna go to the thrift store to see if I can find anything to decorate this part. I used to hate this black stool, and I got some marble contact paper to like DIY transform it, but now I'm gonna be removing this because I feel like the black stool matches my other furniture more. It's looking pretty good. I moved my laundry basket over there because I thought it would be better if I use this side of my room as like a sewing station. I don't know. I'm gonna be keeping my sewing machine on top of this, and in these two drawers I'm gonna keep all of my sewing supplies. Welcome to my craft station. In here I keep all of my scrap fabric and my embroidery threads and hook. So yep. I also got a new bed sheet. I'm really excited to be using it because it's in my favorite color and it matches with a lot of the stuff in my room. So I got it on sale for 110 ringgit. So I'm gonna be changing it to my bed now. It's really soft, and yeah, this is the detail of it. I'm not too sure what that means, but it's by the brand Isabel Paris.
And did that, I just disappoint you.
I also got this pillow from IKEA. It was like around 20 ringgit, so I got it because I wanted to like add some colors to my room and just make it more fun.
Yeah.
While it's all rainbow and sunshine over here, I also created a disaster. If you watch my room tour, you know that I don't like this part of my room, so I'm just gonna be taking all of this off and I'm gonna make some changes to my desk as well. So I got this two hanger looking thing from Taobao, and it's supposed to be something that you can use to hang up art prints and poster on your wall. So it just works like this. Once you push this up, it won't open. So and because I didn't want to waste all of this picture that I printed because I spent my money on it, so I decided that I'm gonna be connecting all of this picture in the back using tape, and I'm gonna be hanging them up on this wall. So I made it into a square because I thought it looked more fun this way and not like a poster. So
the decisions we make in this moment, which are based in either love or fear. So many of us choose our path out of fear disguised as practicality. What we really want is to find out what we should expect, so we never dare to ask the universe for it. I'm saying,
I just went to Mr. DIY to pick up some command hooks because I ran out of those at home, and I'm gonna be using this to hang up the picture thing that I just made onto that wall. So I just moved my laundry basket to that side of my room because I feel like it's just more practical. And recently, as I was searching through my Instagram, I stumbled upon this Korean artist. Their work are so cute, and I got myself 3 things. I got this vintage inspired sticker set. It comes with 50 stickers in a pack, and it's the version 3 from the brand Ooh La La. I'll leave all of the links in the description down below, and it's like the cutest stickers that I've ever seen. I love them so much. I have it on every single thing that I own. I put it on my file that I use for uni. I put it on my power bank and also behind of my phone. So it just looks like this, and I'm gonna be using some of it to decorate that side of the wall. And I also got this 2 postcards from the brand Daily Like. It has like a complete different art style from the brand that I just showed you, and I just really like it. It's very simple, and I like the color that they use. This color really matches my bedsheet, and yeah, I just really like the art style of them. So I also changed out the decoration of this side of my desk, and I really like how this two goes together because this is what my mom got me when we first went to Busan Beach, and I have a picture of it here. These are some fake monstera leaves that I have. there's also a plant store in the same building as the IKEA that I went to. So I went in there and I found the tiniest little fiddly fig tree, and I was so happy when I saw it, so I just had to get it. I didn't want the bigger ones because I didn't want a big tree in my bedroom because my room is pretty small. So yeah, I got this instead, and it was around 20 ringgit, which I thought is not bad. From IKEA, I got a rattan planter because I thought it would like go really well with my tree, and the lady told me to repot it into a bigger pot so that it will help it to grow more. So yeah.
Lately, I've been loving love songs, been trying to feel something for a while